my name is Kalika Batra and I am a master's student. I'm doing my master's from English honors and I side by side working with Panasonic India as a digital marketing team member. So I have explored Digital Vidya while during my research stage for best digital marketing course, and one of my friend was also looking for some digital marketing course also. So we had a chat and we joined the initial webinar where all the details have been shared with the students. What will the course look like? What is the structure of course? I have received like four HubSpot certification for inbound, for email marketing, for SEO, and for SMM. And I have not secured an assignment for website developing a website via WordPress, but that's one thing that I have majorly learned and will help me a lot in my career. And then again, I'm looking forward to my digital with their final certificate. I have very good experience. I don't know what best is because I have not experienced any other, but my experience was very good. The detailing was very nice. I few trainers are very nice. Like if you have any queries, they are open to connect you. Post the classes also. They are available on the email. It's also, and they're available in the break sessions during break sessions also to clear your doubt. So that was one thing that I have not seen in other courses.